Oh shit! Come in. Good morning. Have a seat. So mate, what's up?
Since a friend started smoking, I'm scared that my wife is going to leave me. I'm working 9 to 5. It's not fulfilling. Everything I see is dark.
Okay. See. But you know, I'm not a therapist. So why exactly are you here?
It's a little embarrassing, but yesterday I woke up and I couldn't find my
penis.
Okay, then let's have a look. Ah, yeah, I see. That's a case of Nanoo.
Penis.
Luckily, I'm the right man for you. I'm well versed in the fields of nano objects. So what we are going to do is the following. Well, at first, we have you with a nano object. We then are going to look at your nano object with a microscope. And in the end, what we're going to see in the microscope is your penis. So what I'm going to show you is how to build a microscope from scratch. These are the things we need. A standard laser pointer, 3 bolts, some nuts, 2 wing nuts, some washers, a drill of course, some polymethyl metaacrylate, a saw and a piece of wood. So now let's get to work. First we have to mark the points on the wood on where we are going to drill a hole in it. Measure it professionally like me. Next we align the polymethyl metaacrylate with the wood. Next we are going to drill some holes in this bead. You see the smoke? That's what I get high on regularly. And also your mom's pussy. Lose your attachment and put on another one. Drill some bigger holes into the bead, just like your mom. Put all 3 bolts into the holes. And tada! You've got this. Now put on the washers and see some extraordinary physics right here. The same I do to your mom's pussy. Now put some nuts on the bolts, just like I do with your mom. As you can see, I am taking my time here, just like with your mom. Takes a lot of time. Oh, and also I have professory aids. Cut the fuck up just like when I'm eating your mom's house. And tighten those nuts. At last, put on the wing nuts. And also the washers. Oh, by the way, don't forget to pray, boys. Put on the smaller polymethyl metaacrylate. And after putting some nuts on the bolts, again and again and again, just like I do your mom, put on the last piece of polymethyl metaacrylate. And then you need the lens out of your laser pointer, which preferably comes out of your mom's pussy. Mark a hole in it and drill for some gold, baby. And at last, put in the lens and we are done. Now give me your smartphone. And what we can now do is, we can align the smartphone camera with the lens we put in here, and we can see the objects magnified. So now let's have a look at your Thank you, Professor. Tell me, perhaps are you looking for a job right now?
Yes, yes.
Chcę coś zmienić.
I'm currently in need of a new guinea pig. Do you want to work for me?
Sure.
Pomogłeś mi z moim zagubionym penisem.
Then it's decided. You are now my new assistant. But we need a name for you. Nanoo!